Welcome to Take a Leaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block incognito mode on Chrome. At first, go to Start, right-click on it, and then go to Run. Type regedit, click on OK. Click on Yes. Then go to HKey local machine. Go to Softwares. Then go to Policies. In Policies, right-click, click on New, click on Key, and name this as Google. Hit Enter. Click on Google, go to New, go to Key, and name this as Chrome. Hit Enter. Then right-click here, click on New, click on D word 32-bit value, and then just name this file as Incognito Mode Availability. Hit Enter. After that, open this file. Set the value from 0 to 1. Click on OK. And then just go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, go to Chrome again. And this is how you can block incognito mode on Chrome. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.